In this video, we're gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on the Motorola Edge 70. We're gonna find out how fast is the fingerprint sensor and how long does it take to unlock the phone. So the sensor is located over here at the bottom of the display. And first we're gonna start with some basic touches. As you can see, this is how the phone looks like when we unlock it with the sensor. So nothing particular exciting about it, really. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just quickly tap on the sensor. And as you can see, if I'm just quickly tapping, the phone cannot recognize the fingerprint. But if we just hold it just slightly longer enough so that it is not really a tap anymore, but just, you know, like a very brief holding, then the phone can actually recognize the sensor. There we go. So this is how it works in the lock screen. So every time you see that the fingerprint sensor is failing, it's not really because the finger is scanned in a wrong way or something. It is just the fact that the sensor cannot recognize the fingerprint just quick enough, and we need to just hold it for slightly longer. Now, of course, the explanation to that is quite simple. It is the optical fingerprint sensor. It is not ultrasonic, so, you know, that's a difference. But generally speaking, despite the fact that we have optical sensor, I have to say it is pretty decent. It is pretty rapid. It recognizes the fingerprint sensor almost immediately. So I suppose once we get ultrasonic sensors at some point in future models, then it will be, of course, even faster and even better. But for the optical sensor, it is really good. No, nothing that I can complain about, really. Alright, so now we're gonna see if we can unlock our phone when the screen is completely locked. So over here, I should be able to touch it in order to unlock it. And there we go, it works just fine. I just have to hold it for longer, I believe. If I hold it for the same amount as I have to hold for on the lock screen, it seems that it might not really work. Let's give it another try. Yeah, so it doesn't really recognize the sensor immediately. Only after it is on the lock screen, or if we have the sleep display activated, then you can actually use it. And you can see that the sensor is trying to figure out, because we have this white circle, but unfortunately the phone cannot quickly recognize the sensor. We still have to hold it, this time for slightly longer, so it is not as fast as on the lock screen. We have to hold for a little bit longer, which could be better, I suppose. There's definitely a room for improvement, but I think it works, you know, just fine enough. There you go. Yeah. So the lock screen is pretty great. Nothing really to complain about. It is optical, so the tapping doesn't work. But still, we don't have to hold for too long to unlock the phone. However, when the screen is off, we have to hold for a little bit longer. It's still not that long, like just a half a second compared to the like a fraction of a second on the lock screen, but still half a second. It's not really that bad. It's still pretty decent, but of course, I guess this can give you the idea whether you will be satisfied with the speed of the fingerprint sensor, because let's be honest, most of the time we want to actually unlock our phone when the screen is off, not when we are on the lock screen. So maybe this actually is the most important part for some people. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.